Hey everyone, welcome back to Learniverse. Today we're going to explore something fascinating. That is the human body. You live in it, you use it every single day, but I promise you, there are things about your body that will completely blow your mind. Here are 15 unbelievable facts about your body that prove you're more extraordinary than you think. So let's dive right in. Number 1. Do you know your stomach renews its lining every 3 to 4 days? Our stomach produces very strong acid called hydrochloric acid. It's so powerful that it can dissolve metal. Now imagine this acid working on your stomach wall every single day. To avoid digesting itself, your stomach grows an entirely new protective lining every 3 to 4 days. If it didn't, you'd be in big trouble. Next time you eat your favorite spicy food, thank your stomach for this amazing self-healing ability. Number 2, your bones are stronger than steel. Gram for gram, human bones are about 5 times stronger than steel. The femur, which is your thigh bone, can withstand forces up to 30 times your body weight. To give you perspective, an ounce of bone can bear more stress than an ounce of steel. So technically, we're all walking around with a built-in natural armor. Isn't that incredible? Fact number 3, you're taller in the morning. Ever noticed you feel a little taller after a good night's sleep? That's because when you lie down, the cartilage between your vertebrae expands. Gravity isn't pressing down on your spine, so you stretch out by about 1 to 2 centimeters. But as the day goes on, standing and sitting compress your spine again. So technically, you shrink a little every day. Fact number 4, your brain is an energy monster. Even though your brain only makes up 2% of your total body weight, it eats up about 20% of the energy you consume. That means 1/5 of everything you eat is basically fuel for your brain. For example, when you're solving a tough math problem or studying for an exam, your brain's neurons are firing electricity nonstop, burning through glucose like crazy. That's why studying can leave you feeling physically tired. Your brain is literally draining your energy tank. Fact 5. Did you know your tongue is like a fingerprint? No two tongues are the same. The shape, texture, and pattern are completely unique. Scientists even believe tongue prints could be used for identification one day. Maybe even replacing fingerprints or Face ID. Imagine unlocking your phone by sticking out your tongue. Weird, but possible. Fact 6. Your eyes see millions of colors. The human eye can distinguish around 10 million different colors. Your retina has special cells called cones, which pick up red, green, and blue light. Together, they mix into millions of shades. That's why sunsets look magical. And why artists can create endless shades of paint. Fun fact, some people, especially women, have an extra type of cone cell, which allows them to see even more colors than the rest of us. Fact 7, you shed more skin than you realize. Every single minute, you shed about 30,000 to 40,000 skin cells. In one day, that's roughly 500 million cells. By the time you're 70 years old, you'll have lost about 30 kilograms of skin. That's like leaving behind an entire body's worth of skin over a lifetime. Creepy fact, most of the dust in your house is actually dead skin cells. Fact 8, your nose can remember 50,000 different smells. Our sense of smell is directly linked to the brain's memory center. That's why one sniff of perfume or food can instantly take you back to a childhood memory. Scientists estimate that your nose can detect and remember around 50,000 different scents. That's like carrying around a built-in scent library your whole life. Fact 9, your liver can regenerate like magic. The liver is the only organ that can regenerate itself almost completely. Even if 70% of it is removed, it can grow back to its full size in a few weeks. That's why liver transplants are possible. Doctors can use just a portion of a donor's liver, and both the donor and recipient's livers will regrow. Truly one of the body's most amazing survival features. Fact 10, your blood travels thousands of miles daily. Your circulatory system is huge. In fact, if you stretched out all your blood vessels end to end, they could circle the earth more than twice. And every single day, Your blood travels about 12,000 miles inside your body, carrying oxygen and nutrients to every single cell. That's the same distance as flying from New York to Tokyo and back. Fact 11, your body contains enough iron to make a nail. Believe it or not. The human body contains about 3 grams of iron. That's just enough to make a small nail. This iron is what makes your blood red, as it's a vital part of hemoglobin, the protein that carries oxygen. Without it, you couldn't survive for even a few minutes. Fact 12, you're naturally radioactive. Yes, you are slightly radioactive. Don't worry, it's not dangerous. It's because of potassium-40, a natural isotope inside your body. Every second, tiny amounts of radiation are released from your body, but it's completely harmless. So technically, we're all walking glow sticks, just invisible ones. Fact 13, the strongest muscle is in your jaw. Pound for pound. The strongest muscle in the human body is the masseter, your jaw muscle. It can exert a bite force of over 200 pounds. Some people can even bite hard enough to crack nuts or tear through tough materials. So your jaw is basically a built-in nutcracker. Fact 14, babies have more bones than adults. A newborn baby has around 300 bones. But as they grow, many of these bones fuse together. By the time you're an adult, you only have 206 bones. This process is why babies are so flexible. Their bodies are built with more joints that eventually harden and merge as they age. Fact 15, you are made of stardust. This is my favorite fact. The carbon, oxygen, iron, and other elements in your body were created in the hearts of stars that exploded billions of years ago. That means the atoms in your body are older than the Earth itself. You're not just human. You are literally stardust walking on Earth. Kind of poetic, right? So, those were 15 amazing facts about the human body. Which one blew your mind the most? And how many you already know? Drop your thoughts in the comments section. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more mind-blowing content every week. Thanks for watching. And remember, your body is far more incredible than you realize.